Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today it's not really a review, but it is a review of more colours from Aimeili. I'm assuming the formulas are all going to be the same, so my review's probably going to be really positive, but as I say, I haven't swatched them yet, so we'll see. But this set arrived without any box. It just came in this bag. Sorry, I'll stop rattling it in a minute. So I think this could be the product number, but I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get them out of here and line them up, and I'll be back. I'm back. So if you watched my favourites video, you'll know that blue next to nude is one of my favourite colours to do nail designs with. So these are all right up my street. I'll go through them as we're swatching and tell you the number. But I'm only going to do the first coat on camera, and then I'll do the second coat off camera just for speed and let you know what the formula and such like is when I come back. Okay, so first colour, 105. Looks nice. Oh. I've already got a plan for this in my head. This is 106. This is more of a lilac purple tinge, but it's still in the blue spectrum obviously. It's not quite as pigmented as the first one, but I'm sure a couple of coats will even it out. It's nice and creamy. Doesn't feel like a thick polish, but it feels like it's going on smooth enough. Oh, this is lovely. It's like a baby blue, sky blue. Oh, I don't know. Is that a baby blue or is that a sky blue? What do you think? Let me know down below. Oh, it's nice. It's so nice. Right, I'm going to clean up and cure this. Okay, on to the next ones. This is 113 and it's like an aqua blue. It is absolutely beautiful. Think of the ombres you could do with this set, because there's just all the different blues, they would blend into each other. Amazing. This is more of a pale lilac. It's really nice, but I think it's quite a common colour. That most people will have one like this in their collection. But it's still a nice addition, just in case you don't. It goes on nice. And I've got a hair. That'll be coming out before I cure. And this is 126. I think this could be my favourite. It's so cheerful and, I don't know, happy colour. I know what I mean, I just can't find the words. No surprise there. Right, I'll be back in a minute with thoughts. Right, we're all done. They're all had their second coat. They've been top coated with a Aimeili no wipe top coat. I love them. But I mean, I've made it clear already in past videos, I love the formula. This one I was writing off, it built up beautifully with a second coat. There's no patchiness, it's perfectly opaque. Even this really light one, it's completely opaque. There's no patchiness at all. This one, I've come to the decision that this is more of a mint green, I think, rather than aqua. And if you guessed that I forgot to take that stupid hair out before I cured, leave a wee clap sign in the comments, because yes, I forgot to take the hair out. And this one, I really, really love that one. That's 126, yeah, my favourite out of the bunch is 126. Love that colour. All in all, this is a great kit. If you like blues, like me, and you will use them, it's a fantastic kit. If you're not going to use more than a couple of colours in this, then don't buy the kit. Buy the separate bottles of polish. So you're still getting the same, obviously, but if you're only going to use these two, what is the point in having these four? there's no point, they'll go off before you use them. So for somebody like me who will use all the colours, it's a fantastic set. I'll leave it linked down below. I can't remember how much it is offhand, but I'll leave it down below, and you can go and check it out. But yes, definitely recommend. Thank you so much to Aimeili for sending this. I'm in heaven with all these blues. So thank you for watching. That's us done again. I hope this was useful for you and you enjoyed it, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.